Good morning, dear students of class 10. Today we all are discuss about another short question from history chapter, nationalism in Europe. It's a 5-mark question. The question is describe the process of unification of Britain, or how does British got unified? Explain with proper explanation. Okay. The first point. British was not a nation state up to a period of 18th century. Second point, the remaining neighbor states and Iceland are also not a declared nation state. They all are identified or recognized by ethnicity. So what is ethnicity? Ethnicity means recognized by their community identities or their clans. Got it? Example, English, Wales, Irish, Scottish. Got it? Next point. Gradually, the English gain more power and start influence other states and Iceland. Means the English extend his power and dominate in other islands and states. Fourth point. In the year 1688, English was declared as the nation state. Got it? So it's dominated power over other states and islands. How? In the year 77, the act was passed. What is the act? In this act, Scotland and England made a pact or act. Through this act, the Great Britain was formed, or United Kingdom was formed. So the English Parliament start snatching the power of monarchy, or seized the power of monarchy. Got it? England dominated in all spheres over in Ireland and Scotland. The British Parliament was totally dominated by the Englishmen. So in the year 1798, a revolution took place. It's called as the fake revolutions. It was led by the Old and his United Irishmen. The island was forcibly taken by the British, and now the British nation was formed. When the British nation was formed, the different symbols came into force. The first symbol, the New Britain, were the English language. First one. Second one, the British flag was called as the Union Jack. Third one, British national anthem was declared, and it was the God Save Our Noble King. These are the points while you have write about the concept of unification of Britain. Okay, thank you for the day. Hope everyone safe and stay at your home. Okay, follow the government guidelines, what to do and what not to do. Thank you. Have a great day.